What's going on, everybody? Julian here, Jay Lewis Trader, doing a recap for Thursday. Week's almost over. S&P struggled a bunch today, closing up 1 basis point. More or less unchanged, pretty flat day. Not a lot to write home on about the markets, but on an individual stock basis, we got a couple winners to talk about. ENTX, this was off of the low float scan. Not a lot going on holistically, but today with this one particular stock, this thing was up about 20% at the close. A little bit of a gap from yesterday's open. You can see right through here, nice little break of trendline resistance. This thing moved into one of our profit targets that we had laid out. So that was a pretty decent trade. And then on the biotech side, this is a great trade. This is ORPH. Sorry to everybody that's long this that are official bag holders, but this thing is done. It's been hammered. It is down 87% off of its high from just a few days ago, and this has been an incredible short. This is exactly why you need to know both sides of the market. If you are interested in learning how to short, reach out. Julian at jlewistrading.com. Email is going to be listed below in the description box. If you're not shorting, if you're not understanding both sides of the markets, when the actual markets do roll over and stocks move to the downside, you got to put yourself in a situation where you start hedging and you start shorting. So if that's something that you want to learn to do, reach out. Julian at jlewistrading.com.